Hello YouTubers, this is Ganesh Palkar and welcome to YouTube channel. Right now we are watching third episode of the Diveagar series and today we'll be going to Aarvi Beach. Aarvi Beach is one of the most beautiful beach which is around Diveagar. It is between Diveagar and Shrivardhan. If you are traveling on a coastal route to Shrivardhan from Diveagar, then you will see this Aarvi Beach. Usually when we visit Diveagar, we were used to hang out on this Diveagar beach only. But this time we have Bela and Goku with us. So that's why we have decided to go to this Aravi beach so that it won't be too much crowded and Bela and Goku can enjoy their time on the beach. Okay, so let's start the vlog now. So right now we have left from the property where we were living. I haven't taken my bike with me because we are traveling with two cars. Doesn't make sense to take my bike with me as well. I will not bore you guys by showing all these routes and everything. Just see you at Aarvi Beach. Thanks a lot guys that you have watched all these 3 episodes of the Diveagar series. If you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want, you can subscribe to the channel so that you can watch the videos that I'll be posting in the future. Thank you guys. Enjoy the route, enjoy the ride. Bye bye.